Hi friends, welcome to your channel Knowledgeists. The RRB pre-exams, which is scheduled to be held in 12th of September and 13th of September, is now postponed. But this is not the matter of discussion. Today we will be discuss about the likely impact of this cancellation and what is the fate of IBPS RRB examinations in this COVID era. Mainly this examination is cancelled due to clear guidelines, clear SOPs, how to conduct exams during this challenging time. This is the main reason. But it is going to impact all upcoming examinations like SBI CBO, like other IBPS exams, RBI and SEBI exams. Every exam that is scheduled to be held in coming days is now going to be impacted. In my SBI CBO live batch, I have always told to my students that as far as my informations are concerned, my sources are concerned, it is clear that SBI is keen to conduct a written test. But the challenge is how it can conduct, and all eyes were on this IBPS RRB examinations. But now, as of now, all exams stands cancelled, as in schools and colleges are now not getting opened due to fear of mass spreading of COVID-19, though it is now spreading in there is a community spread of COVID-19, but still government is not encouraging such gatherings. Hence these are cancelled. But very soon, in the month of December likely, all these exams are now going to be held as far as my sources confirm me. Okay, so wait till December, prepare hard. As let me clear you, no exam is going to be cancelled, no exam is going to be postponed. There are messages getting rounds in social media that the new recruitment may get cancelled, but there is no such condition as of now. When economy is going through a worst phase, consumption is the only thing, expenditure is the only thing that government will encourage. Hence, job creation will be the first agenda of government, and no government will cancel job creation in challenging times. Okay, and there are elections scheduled, hence no exam is going to be postponed. This RRB, NTPC RRB exam, Railway Recruitment Board exam is now on cards also. It was postponed for a long time, but now they are planning to recruit it, so there is a sigh of relief. As of now, only due to Corona, it is postponed, not cancelled. And to my SBI CBO batch students, it is clear that now written exam being a challenge for SBI, they will devise more shortlisting process, and same will be finalized within 2 more weeks. Thanks for watching me. Thanks for being with Knowledgeists. Do subscribe our channel, download banking books from the links in description, and don't forget to join my live batches that is dedicated for SBI CBO and IBPS RRB examination. Stay tuned, stay subscribed. Thank you.